ChatAE makes it easier than ever before to conduct deep, strategic, nuanced research on all of your accounts that helps you understand what is going on and puts you in the best position to break in and engage with a well-informed, unique point of view in order to win deals. Today, we're releasing features oriented around doing bulk research, creating custom triggers, and monitoring your accounts in a very easy way. Let's go through some examples here. Within ChatAE, we have our new bulk research flow that allows you to break down your account list, that allows you to upload in a list of accounts via CSV, or even add those accounts in manually. For this example, we'll take a CSV list we have and we'll upload those into the bulk research flow. From here, you'll see a selection of queries, including the standard out-of-the-box queries that ChatAE already provides today around the account, like the company overview, the business model, recent news, media information, financial information, competitive information, etc. So we'll select some of those because we want some of those included for our research. And then today we are releasing custom query, which allows you to create custom queries and custom triggers on each of your accounts. And so this can be across all of the sources that ChatAE provides. You can look up things like specific initiatives or priorities within your accounts. You can look up things like specific quotes about certain key triggers or events. You can look up certain news items. You can also do things like look up across job postings for specific information, tech stack information, or mentions or that they're hiring for a key title. There's a lot of options here in terms of what you can do. The possibilities are really endless. In this example, I'm masquerading as one of our users who sells data software. So I'll use some of the custom queries that they've created oriented around things like executive quotes about AI, or job postings that mention Snowflake, or what information ChatAE can find out about the account's enterprise data strategy. I can also do things like create org maps, look up people information. There's a lot of options with those custom queries. And so for this example, we'll run through with those. At the bottom, we'll make some matching across our placeholders here. And I can also rearrange how the account dashboards appear, where I can see the out-of-the-box queries along with the custom triggers as well. And so this looks good to me. I'll continue on. I'll get a quick preview of how this information will be populated in. For my custom queries, I can run test results to see how that information is populating before I run the overall job, just to make sure I wrote things out or defined things properly. I'll get a quick preview screen of what that looks like for each of the triggers. And so I can run a quick preview and see how everything looks before ultimately continuing with my job. And so this all looks good to me. I will run the research job in full, where I'll be taken to a screen where I'll be able to track the progress, understand the queries I ran, and get an update for the status of the accounts being researched. As this populates, I'll be able to click through to each of the accounts as well. And so while that's running, I'll click over to the accounts view, where I will be able to see the accounts populating. And so I'm seeing the accounts start to come in here. As they complete the job, they'll fully populate. But I'll be able to do search across all of my accounts. And then for each of them, I'll be able to click into them directly. And so I'll just take Gap here as an example. I now see the account object for my account, and I can see each of the queries, including the out-of-the-box and my custom queries that I defined before. And I can start either drilling down each of these tiles, or like always, I can deep dive by asking ChatAE to look up additional things or help me build connections back to how we help. So for instance, maybe I realize, oh, I actually want to understand their executive team and some of the org map associated with the executive team. So I'll say, look up their executive team and build me an org map. What this will do is it'll run that query and then attach that query as a new tile on my account record where I can have this be contained along with all the other information that I've run before. And just like how users do in ChatAE today, I can deep dive into any of these points that are interesting to me. I can ask ChatAE to help me with crafting messaging using any of the information that ChatAE is surfacing. I can build those connections back to how we can help. Because ChatAE knows where I work and what I sell, it can very easily build me connections back to how we can help. So there's a lot more, obviously, that you can do within ChatAE, but excited to have a much easier way for our users to be doing bulk research and be able to track their accounts across their entire territory. And more to come. We're really excited and can't wait to see this in the hands of all of you. Thank you.